In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to calculate your per serving or per application dosage for edibles or topicals using a store-bought infusion or one you may have previously made and calculated the dosage for. In this example, we're going to use an infused olive oil purchased at a local dispensary. In most cases, the product label will give you all the information necessary to calculate your dosage. If you're using a homemade or unlabeled product, you will need to estimate these numbers. Refer to the lesson on using the dosing calculator for homemade marijuana infusions for instructions. Okay, let's get started. For both edibles and topicals calculations, you first need to know the strength of your infusion. So step 1 of our example is calculate the infusion strength. To do this, first enter the total number of milliliters that are in the bottle. In this case, we enter 100 as that's what's on our label. If it's a homemade infusion, you will need to measure it. Next, we will enter the total milligrams of THC or CBD that are in the bottle. In this case, the label tells us that there are 300 milligrams of THC. The calculator shows us that the product has 3 milligrams of THC or CBD per milliliter of oil. In step 2, we calculate the dosage that's in each serving of your edibles or each application of your topical product. Enter how many milliliters of infusion are in your recipe or topicals formula. For our example, we're going to use 40 milliliters. Next, enter the total number of servings your edibles recipe makes or the number of applications your topicals formula makes. For our example, we'll say that it's 16. In this case, we can see that each serving or application will contain about 8 milligrams of THC or CBD. Feel free to adjust the step 2 numbers up or down to attain a specific dose that you're looking for. For instance, add more infusion or make fewer servings or applications for a higher per serving dose.